Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is the chrysanthemum plant. They are commonly known as mums and they bloom beautiful flowers in many colors such as yellow, white, pink, red, purple, etc. Although they bloom in the winter season, its caring should be started by now. So right now I'll tell you some simple care of this plant. First I'll tell you about its sunlight requirement. It actually needs full sunlight at least 5 to 6 hours a day. Because the more sunlight it gets, the more blooms this plant will get. But if you keep it in a shaded area, it produces fewer flowers. That's why it is essential to keep it in sunlight. Now I'll tell you about the watering requirements. Make sure to keep the soil moist but not soggy. And avoid overwatering of this plant as it causes root rot. And for soil, make sure that it has well-draining, loose and fertile soil. Also make sure to do pinching and pruning of this plant as it encourages bushier growth and blooms more flowers. Also make sure to remove faded flowers as it can encourage more blooming. Also make sure to check this plant for pests or diseases such as aphids, spider mites, mildew, etc. And if you do have any insect attacks, make sure to spray some neem oil or bioenzyme in that area. Also make sure that you keep the leaves dry of this plant. Otherwise it can get fungal issues. Do you know not only does this plant look good, but it also has many medicinal benefits? Such as it reduces fever and colds, good for eye health, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, etc. Do you know this time is actually also very good for propagating and planting new chrysanthemum plants? Such as we recently planted these mums from their mother plant. We have already uploaded a video of it earlier, so if you wish you can definitely check it out. But due to the harsh summer season, the plant's condition is not so good. Also, this plant had some insect attacks. That's why we are constantly pinching and pruning the plants. Not only to remove the damaged parts but also for more bushier growth. And as these plants had some insect attacks, we had hard pruned the plant. We have also removed all the leaves from the lower part of the plant so that it is not in contact with the soil. Like this only we have removed all the dead and damaged parts of the plant. Also right now you don't have to give any kind of fertilizer to your chrysanthemum plant as rainy season is around the corner. Now I am going to be telling you how you can propagate new plants from stem cutting. First look for some hardy stems from your plant. After that make sure to remove all the leaves from the lower part of the stem. Then plant it in a well-draining loose fertile soil. That's how you have easily propagated your chrysanthemum plants. We will soon upload a video on what kind of fertilizers you have to give to your chrysanthemum plants. But that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.